What landmark 1957 treaty established the European Economic Community, Treaty of Paris, Treaty of Rome, or Treaty of Lisbon? The great answer is Treaty of Rome. Which famous American actress married Prince Rainier III of Monaco in 1957? Audrey Hepburn, Grace Kelly, or Marilyn Monroe? The great answer is Grace Kelly. What was the first long-playing record format introduced by the Columbia Record in 1948 but gained popularity in the 1950s? 33 RPM, 45 or 78 RPM? The great answer is 33 RPM. Which cultural icon became a symbol of teenage rebellion after starring in Rebel Without a Cause in 1955? Marlon Brando, James Dean, or Elvis Presley? The great answer is James Dean. Which iconic fashion item did Brigitte Bardot popularize in the 1950s? The miniskirt, the bikini, or the leather jacket? The great answer is the bikini. Who was the first African-American to play Major League Baseball in the modern era, breaking the color barrier in 1947 and influencing the 1950s? Jackie Robinson, Hank Aaron, or Willie Mays? The great answer is Jackie Robinson. Which 1960s car became known as a symbol of the counterculture? Volkswagen Beetle, Ford Mustang, or Chevrolet Camaro? The great answer is Volkswagen Beetle. What groundbreaking 1963 novel by Betty Friedan is often credited with sparking the second wave of feminism in the US? The Second Sex, Sexual Politics, or the Feminine Mystique? The great answer is the Feminine Mystique. Which two superpowers were involved in the space race during the 1950s and 1960s? USA and China, USA and Soviet Union, or USA and Japan? The great answer is USA and Soviet Union. What was the first animated television series produced in color debuting in 1960? The Flintstones, the Looney Tunes, or Scooby-Doo? The great answer is the Flintstones. Which popular 1950s singer was known as the Queen of Jazz? Billie Holiday, Ella Fitzgerald, or Nina Simone? The great answer is Ella Fitzgerald. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during the early part of the 1960s involved in the Cuban Missile Crisis? Joseph Stalin, Leonid Brezhnev, or Nikita Khrushchev? The great answer is Nikita Khrushchev. What 1960 event was a pivotal moment in the fight against apartheid in South Africa? Sharp Valley Massacre, Soweto Uprising, or Rivonia Trial? The great answer is Sharp Valley Massacre. Which 1960s song by the Beatles was written as a lullaby for John Lennon's son? Hey Jude, Let It Be, or Good Night? The great answer is Good Night. In what year was the Peace Corps established by President Kennedy? 1961, 1963, or 1965? The great answer is 1963. Which iconic TV series featuring Secret Agent Maxwell Smart debuted in the 1965? The Man from UNICLE, Get Smart, or Mission Impossible? The great answer is Get Smart. Who directed the 1960 classic horror film Psycho? Alfred Hitchcock, Stanley Kubrick, or Roman Polanski? The great answer is Alfred Hitchcock. What 1950s event led to the creation of NASA? The launch of Sputnik, the Manhattan Project, or the Cuban Missile Crisis? The great answer is the launch of Sputnik. Which 1960s civil rights leader is famous for his bullet speech, Stokely Carmichael, Luther King Jr. or Malcolm X? The correct answer is Malcolm X. Who authored On the Road, a defining work of the Beat generation published in 1957, Jack Kerouac, Allen Ginsberg, or William S. Burroughs? The correct answer is Jack Kerouac. What influential 1960s art movement was characterized by its focus on consumerism and mass media, Dadaism, abstract expressionism, or pop art? The correct answer is pop art. Which famous scandal led to the resignation of UK Prime Minister Harold Macmillan government in the 1960s? Watergate, the Perfume Affair, or the Suez Crisis? The correct answer is Perfume Affair. What 1950s film starred Charlton Heston and won 11 Academy Awards including Best Picture, Ben-Hur, Spartacus, or Lawrence of Arabia? The correct answer is Ben-Hur. Who became the first female Prime Minister of Israel in 1969? Golda Meir, Margaret Thatcher, or Indira Gandhi? The correct answer is Golda Meir. What genre-defining 1968 film by Stanley Kubrick explored themes of artificial intelligence and space travel, Solaris, or Space Odyssey, or Planet of the Apes? The correct answer is 2001 or Space Odyssey. Which 1955 novel by Vladimir Nabokov caused significant controversy due to its subject matter, Invitation to a Beheading, Pale Fire, or Lolita? The correct answer is Lolita. What 1957 film featured a lone sheriff facing a gang of killers at high noon? The Researchers, High Noon, or Rio Bravers? The correct answer is High Noon. What 1962 Global Health Initiative led to the widespread vaccination against a particular disease, polio vaccination, measles vaccination, or smallpox? The correct answer is polio vaccination. Which iconic TV show hosted by Eddie Sullivan featured the first US appearance of the Beatles in 1964? The Tonight Show, the Eddie Sullivan Show, or American Bandstand? The correct answer is the Eddie Sullivan Show. Which famous speech beginning with "Ask not what your country can do for you" was given by John F. Kennedy? Inaugural address, address to Congress, civil rights address? The correct answer is inaugural address. Thanks for playing this video. Drop in your score in the comments, please.